Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing the Google Meet app on your PC or laptop. Follow these steps to download Google Meet. Open your Chrome browser. Type meet.google.com in the search bar and press enter. The Google Meet web page will open in your Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and locate the Save and Share option, then click on it. Look for the Install Google Meet option and click on it. Google Meet will ask to download. Click on Install. Google Meet will now be downloaded to your system. To open Google Meet, simply type Google Meet in the search bar. You'll see the app icon. Click on it to open. Now, you have successfully opened the Google Meet app on your PC. Feel free to utilize the app for your virtual meetings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below.